Every week, new trends hit the shelves, enticing us to buy the latest, cheapest styles. It's called fast fashion. But what you might not realize is the true cost of this endless cycle of clothing production, consumption, and waste, and it's much more than a hit to your wallet. To keep up with fast fashion's demands, huge amounts of resources are consumed. Take water, for example. Did you know that it takes 2,700 liters of water just to make one cotton t-shirt? That's enough water for one person for 2.5 years. And it's not just water. The production process itself is energy intensive. Factories burn fossil fuels to churn out millions of pieces of clothing every week. The fashion industry is responsible for 10% of global carbon emissions, more than the airline and shipping industries combined. Fast fashion isn't just draining resources, it's polluting them too. Toxic dyes and chemicals used in textile production end up in rivers and oceans, making fashion responsible for about 20% of the world's industrial water pollution. And it doesn't stop there. When we wash synthetic fabrics like polyester, they shed microplastics, which flow into the ocean and harm marine life. Over time, these tiny particles end up in the food chain. Yes, that means they could eventually end up on your plate. And what happens to all those cheap clothes when the trend is over? Most end up in landfills, where they can take up to 200 years to decompose. The environmental impact of fast fashion is staggering, but we can't forget the human cost. Behind the low prices are sweatshops in developing countries, where workers, mostly women and even children, are paid extremely low wages and work in unsafe conditions. So, what can we do about it? Small changes in our shopping habits can have a big impact. Here's how you can help fight fast fashion. The power to make a difference is in our hands. By choosing sustainable fashion, we're not just protecting our wallets, we're helping to protect our planet.